Why is Andrew the way he is?
Oh my God.
Is you should go down and talk to his dad. Ask me anything about Andrew. Because one of the questions I would ask is like, was Andrew born a 70-year-old man? What are you asking Papa Taco?
Oh wow. Why is Andrew the way that he is?
So I'd love to hear Papa Taco's take on that. I'd love to hear him, like, what in Andrew's childhood triggers this? Why, like, you know, in the office, speaking of the office, like, why are you the way you are?
As soon as I walked in the door, her water broke. That was Friday night, like at 7:30. He was born on Father's Day, almost 2 days later. So that was the beginning. So it was like, okay, something's wrong, right?
The other day, Allison messaged me because it came out, and you know, something came out in our internal communication system, and Andrew said it took all of my 34 years. And Allison called me, and she's like, "Andrew's really only 34."
So was he born as a 70-year-old man, or is that just something that he grew into?
No, he was a good baby, but then he grew up. I don't know what happened, honestly.